Hello, my name is Josue Puerta. I am going to present activity number 5. My famous character is Ñejo. Ñejo is a singer of urban music. Ñejo is older than me. Ñejo is wearing a black cap. I am not wearing a cap. Ñejo is wearing a white t-shirt. I am also wearing a white t-shirt. Diego is wearing a black shirt. I am wearing a blue jeans. Diego is wearing black sneakers. I am wearing black boots. Diego is a beer. I am don't have a beer. Diego is wearing gold chains. I am wearing a license. Diego is shorter than me. My shirt is more elegant than your shirt. Diego is further than me. I am taller than Diego. I have longer height than Diego.